If you just got your dbrand grip for the Galaxy S25 Ultra, relax. This is going to be easy. Note that your grip comes with up to 3 elements: a case, a microfiber cleaning cloth, and a skin. Let's get started. First, use the included microfiber cloth to clean your device. The back of the grip case is also lined with microfiber, so you'll want to make sure that your phone is spotless before inserting it into the grip. Installation is easy. Insert your device into the left side of the case. Next, firmly snap the right half in place. If you're finding that the sides or corners of the case are tucked behind the metal frame, firmly roll your thumb over the affected area as shown. Finally, let's install the case skin. Before getting started, let's take a closer look at the case. Note the raised lip around the entire back of the case. This ridge will help keep the skin straight. To get started, remove the skin from the 3M paper and reattach exactly as shown. When aligning the skin, the section covered by the 3M paper won't stick to the case. You can use this to slide the skin around and get it lined up perfectly. Align the 2 exposed edges of the skin against the inner ridge of the case, making sure the camera cutouts are in the correct position. It's important to align the edges of the skin directly against the ridge of the case. If you leave a gap, the opposite side of the skin will have an overlap. Once everything is lined up perfectly, apply pressure to the exposed edges. Next, remove the 3M paper and smooth out the back surface. Keep in mind that the skin can be replaced with a new one at any time. Removal is easy. Just peel it up from any corner and pull it off. Done. If you have any questions, you know how to reach us.